Sophia Fayang Smith's journey to the spotlight is the stuff of Gen Z dreams, relatable, raw, and undeniably inspiring. From her humble beginnings to the glittering lights of Pinoy Big Brother, Gen 11, Fayang's life has been anything but ordinary. She didn't just aim for the stars, she earned her place in the showbiz galaxy and is exploring how to better navigate this universe. Behind the success and the spotlight she's enjoying now are the hardships that have helped shape the person she is now. Fayang Smith is a lawless girl. She was raised by her grandmother, the person she holds closest to her heart, a true sanctuary in her life. Her pahinga. Her grandmother wasn't just her guardian but also her haven, her refuge in times of uncertainty. Whenever problems loomed or doubts clouded her thoughts, it was her grandmother she turned to, the one who listened without judgment and offered wisdom coming from a life of resilience. While her mother, Myrna, sacrificed time with her daughter and son to work tirelessly abroad and secure a better future for their family, her grandmother filled the void with unconditional love and gentle strength. As the daughter of an overseas Filipino worker, Fayang learned early on to treasure every fleeting moment. With her mom's vacations measured in precious, short-lived days, each reunion felt like unwrapping a rare and priceless gift. Growing up, she understood that every sacrifice, every mile her mom crossed, was for her and her brother, a testament to the boundless love that kept their family connected, no matter the distance. In an interview with Pinoy Big Brother host Bianca Gonzalez Intal, Fayang reminisced that it was not a flowery road she walked on. She remembered the time they reached rock bottom when her mom had to rely on the sangla tubos way to provide food for them. It wasn't always sunshine for Fayang. Life handed her obstacles that would break most, but she turned them into stepping stones. She vividly recalls walking 2 hours with her aunt to make charcoal, earning just 20 pesos, a small sum she cherished. Siguro naiisip ko, bakit yung iba meron, pero kami wala. She tells Metro Style, reflecting on those tough days. Yet, instead of giving in to despair, Fayang leaned into her struggles, pushing herself to dream bigger and work harder. Fayang's rise began with a simple yet powerful idea, sharing her life on social media. During the pandemic, she turned to vlogging, a raw, unfiltered peek into her world. Her authenticity resonated, earning her a loyal following. It was this connection with her audience which helped her shine in Pinoy Big Brother, where her kindness and sincerity stood out. Fayang is a shining example of beauty paired with remarkable resilience and determination. Once a salutatorian in elementary school, she is now a senior high school student, showing promise in accountancy and business management and laying the foundation for a future in business. But behind this practical path lies a dream that burns brighter, a calling to become a general surgeon, a pursuit far removed from her current studies. Reflecting on this dream, Fayang shares the poignant moment that ignited her passion. Her voice carries the weight of her conviction as she recounts. Kasi one time, yung tita ko may babuyan. Ako, hindi po ako madiriin talaga, parang wala akong court arte sa katawan. That time, di makalabas yung baby ng nanay, na baboy, so pag di na ilabas, mamamatay yung nanay. Sabi nila, dukutin mo na. So with my bare hands, pinasok ko yung 2 kamay ko sa loob at dinukot ko yung baby. Ang sarap sa feeling magpaanak nung baboy. This raw, visceral experience became a defining moment for Fayang. It reminded her of her innate courage and sparked a sense of purpose. Today, Fayang is the embodiment of character development, from an outspoken, ibab, to a mindful, girl. She's grown in ways she never imagined. Her story isn't just about fame, it's about constant development and progress. She's grateful not just for the rewards she's earned but for the person she's become. A young woman who's stronger, wiser, and ready to face whatever comes next. Fayang is more than just a rising star. She's a reminder that authenticity can take you anywhere, even if you start with nothing but hope.